Good afternoon, dear kids. Today I am taking a new topic, that is exponents. Exponents. My dear kids, if I am writing something like this, so this is called as a base and this is called as exponent, or you can also call it as index or power. So for example, if I am writing 5 raised to 3, so 5 is the base and 3 is the power or exponent. 5 raised to 3 means you are writing 5 for 3 times. You are taking the product of 5 for 3 times. Clear? And then you have to give the answer. Are you getting my point clear? Shall we start? So this is your chapter 5 of Selena. Exercise 5A. Problem number 1. Find the value of 6 square. This is called as square, or you can also call it as 6 raised to 2. Okay? 6 raised to 2 means you have to write 6 for 2 times and you have to calculate 6 into 6. That will be 36. Similarly, you have 7 raised to 3. That means 7 product of 7 for 3 times. That you will multiply 7 into 7 into 7. You will get 343. Yes, my dear kids. Similarly, you have to do problem number 3. That is 4 raised to 4. Problem number 4. That is 5 raised to 5. Problem number 6, that is 8 raised to 3. Problem number 7, that is 7 raised to 5. All same. 4 raised to 4 means 4. You have to multiply for 4 times. 5 raised to 5 means you have to multiply 5 for 5 times. Clear? So these you have to do it. Next, question number 2. Evaluate. My dear kids, evaluate means to find the value. Now it is given 2 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 2. What do you mean by 2 raised to 3? That you have to multiply 2 for 3 times and 4 for 2 times. So 2, 2, 2, it will be 8. 4 4s are 16. So you have to multiply 16 into 8. That will be 128. Clear? I'll do one more. That is 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. That means you have to multiply 2 for 3 times and 5 for 2 times. Multiply this. This will be 8. And 25. When you multiply this, my dear kids, you will get 200. Similarly, my dear kids, you have to do problem number 3, 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 2. Problem number 4, 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 3. Problem number 5, 5 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. Problem number 6, 3 raised to 2, 4 raised to 2. Next, I will take problem number 7, that is 4 into 3 raised to 2. First, you have to multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. Raised to 2 means you have to multiply 12 for 2 times, and that will be 144. I will also take problem number 8, that is 5 into 4 raised to 2. First, you have to multiply the bracket, that is 5 4s are 20. Raised to 2 means you have to multiply 20 for 2 times, that will be 400. Got my point clear? I'll jump on to question number 3. Again, it's evaluate. Now, evaluation of fractions, law of fraction, and this is given. Now, this 4 is with 3 also, is with 4 also. That means 3 raised to 4, 4 raised to 4. That means you have to multiply 3 for 4 times and 4 for 4 times. Once you multiply this, my dear kids, you will get the answer 81 upon 256, and you have to keep it as it is. Your problem number 2 of question 3 is minus 5 upon 6 raised to 5. My dear kids, this 5 is with minus 5 also, with 6 also. So minus 5 raised to 5 upon 6 raised to 5. So you have to multiply minus 5 for 5 times and 6 for 5 times. Got my point clear? When you multiply this 5 times 5, you will get 3125. And when you multiply 6 for 5 times, you will get 776. My dear kids, try to understand. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. So your equation will have, your answer will have minus sign. Getting my point clear? Do you know this, that minus minus, when we multiply it becomes plus. Plus minus it becomes minus. Minus plus it becomes minus. Plus plus it becomes plus. I'll tell you, if your number is negative and the exponent is odd number, then your answer will be in minus. Getting my point? If your number is negative, exponent is odd number, then your answer will be negative. When your number is negative and your exponent power is even number, then your answer will be positive. Getting my point? So if here I have minus 5 raised to 5. So what is 5? It is odd number. So whatever answer I'll have a negative sign. Clear? Question third is minus 3 upon minus 5 raised to 3. Here my dear kids, numerator and denominator both are having minus, so you can eliminate that minus. So you will get 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Now this 3 is with this 3 also and 5 also. So you can write 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3. That will be 3 into 3 into 3 and 5 into 5 into 5. Yes, my dear kids, you need a very strong calculations. You should be able to do all the multiplication. You should know all the tables so that you are thorough with this chapter. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Is that clear? I'll jump on to question number 4. Evaluate 2 upon 3 raised to 3 into 3 upon 4 raised to 2. My dear kids, as you know, this 3 is with 2 also, 3 also. So you will write 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3. This 2 is with 3 also and 4 also. So you will write 3 raised to 2, 4 raised to 2. And now you have to multiply 2 for 3 times. Down you have to multiply 3 for 3 times. And here 3 for 2 times and 4 for 2 times. Now you can eliminate this. You can reduce this. And let's see what answer we are getting. It is 1 upon 3 and 2, that is 6. Got the point clear? 2 we have minus 3 upon 4 cube. This is called as cube. अगर square exponent 2 होता है तो we call it as square. If exponent is 3 we call it as cube. Okay. 2 upon 4, 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 raised to 4. Dear kids, try to understand. Now you have 3 with both the things. Minus 3 also, 4 also. With both the numbers I will have 3. And this 4 also I will have with both. Numerator also, denominator also. Now you have to multiply minus 3 for 3 times. And 2 for 4 times. Upon, you have to multiply 4 for 3 times. And 3 for 4 times. Now what you will do? Reduce. 1, 2, cut. 1, 2, cut. Getting my point? Now you can also cut this. It will be minus 1. Cut this. It will be minus 1. Cut this. It will be minus 1. So above you will notice that you have minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. And down you have 4 and 3. That becomes 12. My dear kids, got the point clear? So the answer is minus 1 upon 12. Let's jump on to third. And it says 3 upon 5 raised to 2 minus 2 upon 3 raised to 3. Now we have this 2 with 3 also, 5 also. That means you have to multiply 3 for 2 times, 5 for 2 times. And you have 3 with minus 2 also and 3 also. That means minus 2 for 3 times and 3 for 3 times. Got my point clear? You can eliminate this. And above is this minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That means minus 2 ka cube. And this is a odd number. So that means you will have minus 8 as an answer of this multiplication. So minus 8 upon 5 5 is 25. 25 and 3 is also there. So your final answer is minus 8 upon 1. Sorry, final answer is minus 8 upon 25 into 3 is 75. That's your final answer. If you cannot multiply this minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, I'll explain you how you can do. First you have to multiply minus 2 into minus 2. That will be plus 4. Why plus 4? Because 2 into 2 is 4. Minus into minus is plus. And then this 4 you have to multiply with this minus 2. 4 into 2 will be 8 and this minus sign. Clear? Okay. So I'll stop it here, my dear kids. 4 questions you have to solve. God bless.